Most budget smartphones try to do everything and end up mastering nothing. You get mediocre cameras, plastic builds that crack on first impact, and batteries that barely survive a daily commute. But Realme took an entirely different gamble with the Narzo 100 Lite 5G. Starting under 14,000 rupees, this phone abandons the spec sheet vanity race to focus on three brutal fundamentals: an enormous 7,000 mAh Titan battery, a silky 144 Hz display, and certified military-grade drop resistance. Is this the ultimate budget endurance champion? Or did Realme cut too many corners to make the numbers work? Let us dive in. The headline feature here is unapologetic: a colossal 7,000 mAh Titan battery. In daily testing, this cell is virtually impossible to drain in a single day. For delivery riders, heavy navigators, or road commuters, you are looking at an honest 3 days of moderate use and over 13 hours of continuous screen-on time. Realme even built in reverse wired charging, effectively turning the Narzo 100 Lite into a portable power bank for your earbuds or secondary phone. The compromise? Charging speed tops out at 15 watts. Recharging from empty takes over 2 hours. But when a single charge lasts this long, overnight top-ups become second nature. Flip the phone over and you are greeted by an expansive 6.8-inch panel. Here is where the trade-off gets interesting. The resolution is capped at HD+ rather than Full HD, but Realme tuned the refresh rate up to a blazing 144 Hz. Animations across social feeds and app switching feel remarkably fluid for this price class. With 900 nits of peak outdoor brightness and rainwater smart touch, the screen remains responsive even when rain droplets hit the glass during a monsoon commute. Under the hood sits MediaTek's Dimensity 6300 5G chipset, built on an efficient 6nm architecture. Paired with up to 6 GB of physical RAM and 6 GB of dynamic virtual memory expansion, everyday multitasking on Realme UI 7.0 and Android 16 is snappy and responsive. It is not an esports gaming rig, but for popular multiplayer titles and daily app navigation, the power efficiency keeps thermals cool and battery consumption remarkably low. Realme kept the camera setup stripped back. A single 13-megapixel primary sensor on the rear and a 5-megapixel selfie shooter up front. In daylight, photos are clean and punchy for social sharing and document scanning, though low-light performance is strictly basic. But what it lacks in camera optics, it makes up for in structural toughness. With an IP64 dust and splash resistance rating and MIL-STD 810H military drop certification, this chassis is built to survive real-world drops, splashes, and rough daily commutes. The Realme Narzo 100 Lite 5G is not designed for mobile photographers or pixel peepers. It is built for gig workers, students, commuters, and anyone tired of carrying power banks everywhere they go. By prioritizing a massive 7,000 mAh battery, 144 Hz fluid motion, and rugged durability at under 14,000 rupees, Realme delivered an honest, marathon-ready workhorse. This is Mobile Munch, and the Narzo 100 Lite proves that real-world endurance beats gimmick specifications every single time.